Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your new phone number can receive SMS or calls, and keep your current device unlocked with Telegram open. Once done, tap the three-line menu, then Settings. You're starting the change now because Telegram will send a verification to the new number. Make sure to back up any local data or export important chats before switching, since contact linking and device sessions update after verification. Next, tap your profile phone number or edit next to it in Settings and enter the new number exactly. Telegram will prompt to send a verification code. Wait for SMS or an automated call on the new number. Once you receive the code, type it into Telegram promptly. If verification fails, cancel and re-enter the number. Flaky networks cause delays, then request a call instead of SMS. This step reassociates your account to the new number while preserving chats. Finally, confirm the change when Telegram accepts the code. Your account transfers and your contacts get the new number automatically. Once done, review settings devices to ensure active sessions look correct and revoke any unknown ones. If verification does not arrive, first retry SMS, then choose the automated call option. Also check Do Not Disturb, carrier blocking, or number formatting, plus country code. If problem persists, wait 10 minutes and repeat, or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.